Want to delete your second Instagram account fast? Follow this. For this, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the main or primary account. At the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Now, at the top right, tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Then select Account Center. Under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now, select Deactivation or Deletion. You will see a list of accounts linked to your Account Center. Select the second Instagram account you want to delete. Change the option to Delete Account. And tap Continue. Now, select a reason for deleting the account, like taking a break, and click on Continue. Select Continue with Deletion. If you want a copy of your data, select Export Info. Otherwise, tap Continue. Enter your password. And select Continue. Instagram will show the deletion date. If you log back in before this date, deletion process will be stopped. To proceed with deletion, tap Delete Account. Your second Instagram account will now be scheduled for permanent deletion. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.